Hello again, everybody. Finally made it up here to the bike event right outside Demopolis, Alabama. We got a little later start than I had planned, but we're here now. It took us about 3.5 to 4 hours to get here. Wasn't too bad. Van did really well getting here, so no major issues until we actually got here. Once we set up the van and then set up our camp and everything, I went in to wash my hands and I turned on the pump and I hear water noise coming from back in the back near the toilet. So I walked back there and saw water spraying out the back of the toilet. So it actually was one of the plastic pieces on the back. Shouldn't be too hard of a fix, but kind of sucks it happened right now because now we can't use any of our water, or at least our pump, while we're here. So we got, what, 3 days worth of not being able to pretty much use the toilet or anything. I did have a couple of spare gallons of fresh water and the 1 gallon tubs, but so we'll use that for washing our hands and brushing teeth. And once we use those, I think I'm just gonna walk over to the fresh water nozzle from the holding tank and just fill them up and just wash our hands using that, just in the sink, let them drain. But and I parked next to fairly close to a porta potty, so I won't have to worry about using the toilet while we're here. So it'll all work out. It's just bad timing. But yeah, we made it up here. That little incident happened, but it's no big deal. But yeah, I'm gonna get out here and get some video and kind of show y'all what it's like. So here we go. Good morning, everyone. Last night it rained really hard, so we were kind of stuck here at the site we stayed at. The whole passenger side of the van's in about 3 inches of water. Thankfully, the leveling blocks that I brought, I put under the passenger side, so the actual tires are up out of the water, but the blocks are completely submerged underwater. But yeah, I'm not trying to pull the van out yet until there's 2 ways out of here, and one of the roads is blocked by a motorhome that got stuck. It's sitting pretty much sideways. Half of the front is way up in the air on the road, and the back is way down. It's dug itself into a ditch, pretty much. But and then the other road it's a dirt road, and it looks like there's 2 or 3 inches worth of mud through that road, so I don't want to risk driving through it and getting stuck. So we're just kind of sitting here waiting it out, hoping they can get that motorhome cleared pretty soon so we can try to make our way out. Who knows how long it'll be, but I was able to get out a little earlier. I had to climb out the driver's seat to get out onto the dry land, and I got a little quick video with my cell phone of the water we're sitting in, so I'll show that here in just a second. But yeah, hopefully we can get out of here pretty soon. Alright, just an update. Just pulled back into the storage. As you can see, the van is sitting here. This morning we had to wait. It ended up being about an hour for us to get out of the grounds we were at. Since it rained so much, there were a couple motorhomes stuck, and you know, we had to wait until they had to bring out a tractor and everything to move the 2 motorhomes that were blocking the road. But yeah, once we got through that, it was easy sailing home, and here we are. We're back in the storage, and rode around with my logo on, decal thing, for a while. First time using it, thought I'd give it a try. But yeah, van did great, besides the toilet incident, but it did well. Another successful trip. So, as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.